CEO meets with the plant manager and informs him about problems with financial results and cement dust in the existing packing plant. Plant manager organizes a meeting with the managers and informs them about the current situation. Good morning, dear colleagues. Our company's financial results are suffering from reduced output. Furthermore, we are concerned about the health and safety situation for our employees. Finally, our marketing department has asked for input on what we can do to make our packaging more attractive compared to our competition. Our CEO requests us to identify the reasons and to improve the situation. We are not able to produce continuously due to more and longer maintenance stoppages because of the increasing fineness of our cement. We experience longer downtimes because the procurement of old spare parts that fit our packer design is becoming more and more difficult. Because our packing plant was designed for coarser cements at the time of construction, we now have problems with weight accuracy, forcing us to give cement away without the customer paying for it. Our customers complain about bags that are too dusty, which is why we lose market share to our competitors. The dust development in our plant is steadily increasing, so our employees get sick more and more often. At some point, we will no longer be able to comply with the legal requirements. We know from our last meeting with H&B that our packing machines can be retrofitted with Performance Plus kits. These kits can be adapted in a relatively short period of time. This means fast return rates for our investment. The new H&B Rotolock dosing system is maintenance-free and total leakage-free. The new H&B weighing system MEC 4.0 guarantees accurate weights and secure spare part availabilities. The intelligent aeration module results in smaller and therefore more competitive bags and into less production costs due to less instrument air consumption. I am sure that Haver and Boca has many more and reasonable Performance Plus kits to retrofit our packing machine. We should also ask them if we can upgrade our Rotopacker with the Seal technology. I am of the opinion that we are thus investing in a great advantage over the competition and for our employees. I would be ready for this investment too. Our employees will enjoy increased satisfaction in a dust-free and healthy work surrounding. Last but not least, our plant will be fit for future by complying with future legal requirements. With these solutions, we can maximize our output and reduce our maintenance costs. This increases our profitability. Our package will be more attractive, increasing our sales. Our employees will work in a much cleaner environment, increasing their satisfaction. Last but not least, our plant will be fit for future by complying with future legal requirements. These effects can even be enhanced by using Haver and Boca's Seal technology to hermetically seal the bags after filling. Let's invite the H&B sales manager to explain more about this to us. To find out what other areas of your plant you can improve, ask for these videos.